What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Here is a week 2 vlog of my Montage vlog series. Today we actually had quite a bit of content. So you guys saw me install these QuickJacks. So they're hydraulic fluid. They go into the car and they lift the car up. But we did it on Johnny's car to go do his new wheels. So you guys saw his new wheels as well for today's Montage week. Then what we ended up doing was taking his car out to go do a couple donuts, get the new tires, break them in. So we go ahead and recorded that. We actually shot a drone as well to the parking lot that we went to. Then afterwards, the wheels got all salty and dirty, so we went to go get a quick car wash. So we took a little clips of that. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one, and enjoy. Okay guys, one more thing I forgot to mention. So after me and Johnny went to work, we came back to my house to come eat actually, and Johnny had a little accident going out of my stairs, and he came in and he knew there was ice because I told him there was ice, and I thought he knew there's gonna be ice on the way out. So just enjoy this next clip of Johnny, eating the ground. Yep, enjoy.
It is actually not in that.
Oh!
Fuck. It's not in that.
Oh!
It's not in that.
Oh! Oh!
Okay guys, I'm gonna give you a quick demonstration of the QuickJacks being to use. So here they are under the car. Just gotta make sure those blocks are under those QuickJacks. Under the jacks blocks. See, all good there. Hoses are clear. And then go to this bad boy. You open up the bleeder a little bit, and you plug this bad boy in, and then you go to the detonator, I guess you could call, and you go up. I like to go up just about that height, just so I could double check my work. What I did, I put pieces of wood on the bottom too, just to get the fronts up because my fronts are kind of really low. So I really needed that extra space. But just like that, you should be good to go all the way up. So that is the first locking point right here. You can see there's a hook right there. That's where it stays. So there's only 2 locking points, just that one, and then this one all the way over here. This one's pretty good for like wheel changes and wheel swaps, doing rotors and whatnot. With that being said, we can go ahead and lift it all the way up to the second jack point. And then lock it. There, she's locked. This gives us a whole bunch of space to work with. Go ahead and bring a tape measure. So we go ahead and mark it from the side. As you can see, about 19, I think 19 exactly, or 19 and a half. 19 and a half of inches that we get to work with, which is pretty amazing. Yeah, I really like this product. It's amazing, and you guys should check it out too. What we have next is going to bring in Johnny's car right now. We're going to use the QuickJacks actually and put his new wheels on. And we're going to do calipers, but we're going to put his new wheels on and see how they look, how they fit, and finally put these QuickJacks to use. So, see you then.
Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Johnny from E92 Tuners, and today we'll be doing an unwrapping video, unboxing video, I don't really know how you say it, but my wheels and tires just came in. I'm about to unbox one of my rear wheels for y'all. So yeah, enjoy. We'll be doing, this is kind of like a two-parter, but I'll put it in one video. Unboxing them now, and then tomorrow I'll probably be putting them on the car to see fitment and see how much I want to lower it, see if I need spacers. But yeah, enjoy. So y'all can see, these are my new wheels. These are Curver C300s. They of course don't have the element in the middle right now because they're in one of these boxes. I don't know which one. Here's the Fitment Industries sticker. And then a card. Anything else here? Oh, here they are. Here are all my emblems and logos to put on the wheels. Make it actually look. Here, we can put one of the emblems on the rear one real quick to see what it looks like. But yeah, this is what they should look like on there. Just snaps in. Boom. That looks so much better. Nice and glossy. Here's a close up. I gotta clean the tires, but alright, I'll pick up the video when I do the fitment test. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey, what's up guys? It's Johnny and Brian from E92 Tuners, and we're picking up the vlog from yesterday from when I unboxed my wheels. Y'all saw that probably just a second ago. Shut up, they don't get to see that. And I'm recording him putting them on because I'm lazy as shit.
So we're gonna use the. Oh, let's go ahead and show the wheels. Okay.
Huh?
Tell my dad to come here. He
Help
wanted to
you?
see the wheels. No, he wanted to see the wheels.
Damn.
Hey, you like my chart?
Huh?
My whiteboard chart of my to-do list?
Your car and your motorcycle?
Yep.
We also need to clean the wheels a little bit.
Quita la mesa. So when your car all black,
Yeah.
why you put that stick in there?
I don't know. I was deciding if I wanted to put that or a white one on there, and Brian was like, you should put that one on there.
Okay. Start with the
QuickJacks?
QuickJacks.
Quick hacks.
Oh.
Crush your finger.
I better hope it doesn't fall. Because now it's got water all over it. Hoorah. Alright, just go up a little bit. Just to make sure they're on the blocks. Keep going. Alright. Go. Alright, go down. Alright.
Oh, they're
I said they were hard.
I was Chop. Compare the sizes.
Damn.
Damn. Come on, you gotta be like those Formula One pictures. Like we from Cars, Guido. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Nice.
Hey, this little rotor looks brand new.
That. No, no calipers, just wheels. We do calipers different day. No.
First.
Wheels first.
Front, right?
Yes. Big front gang. You want the lug nuts?
Hold it.
You use your legs?
Always. So wiggly. It should have. That's why I hate these like that. You can really see it that much. See, like that's it's better. Oh!
Yes. On camera. Just like my fault the other day.
It's not in that.
Oh!
Slow motion.
See, it wouldn't be so bad, but literally like half the side of my car looks gray right now. No, fitment stayed the same.
I told you it's gonna stay the same.
It's not too bad
It
anymore.
feels a little bit more.
It's not too bad.
I like the rear more now.
The rear fitment does look a lot better. And it's sticking out a bit more.
A little bit. Yeah. But you want this
To be flush.
lined up right here.
Lower.
Coilovers.
Coilovers. Not bad.
Let's see. 4 fingers.
That's probably 3.
2 fingers.
2 fingers.
Johnny doing a little donut after putting the new wheels